Okay, Liz, where are we?
Southern Cross Station.
And where are we going?
Home show to see the tiny homes.
Yes, we are. Now, do you guys notice something different about Liz today? She looks a little bit different. See if we can see what it is. See, we go around the back. There we go. She's got a new haircut and she looks gorgeous.
I'm getting used to it.
Adorable. Anyway, we're going to go to the Tiny Home Show, so we'll do some more videos from there. So we have arrived, and as you can see, Melbourne, it's a miserable day. It's cold. We left Ringwood, it was nice and sunny, but there's Liz, and that's where we're going. Well, this place called Jeff's Shed, so we'll go in and check it out. No, it's called the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre.
Jeff's Shed's much easier.
Why is it called Jeff's Shed?
After Jeff, our Kenneth, our Prime Minister.
Premier for Victoria, not Prime Minister. So where are we, Liz? What's that say?
That's Tiny Homes Village.
She is in her element right here. And then we have the Tiny Home Village.
I'd like to say if there's been...
So we'll go for a walk.
They're quite spacious. Little tiny home.
So Liz is in her element now. She's in the tiny homes.
I love tiny homes.
She loves the tiny homes.
So you need a little granny flat in the back. That's like a little modular home.
This is quite ideal.
This is a cool shower.
Oh, I like the shower head.
Oh wow, that's fantastic.
That would drench you. Stand on. Is it plant?
It's nicely fitted out.
Duncan comes to the kitchen. There you go.
Nice workroom, isn't it? She said cut that out. I'm not allowed to do that. I've got to be on my best
I
behaviour.
like the colour of the walls.
I like the walls.
Nice with the beams and stuff.
These beams here.
Yeah, the shelving and stuff.
I like the view. Two lizards, my neck. G'day, mate.
This one a display.
It's just a display.
Yeah, I know.
And but
What's that, Liz?
It's a fabric porcelain tile. It's really lovely. It's got nice texture.
Oh yeah, it feels.
Imagine
But it's a
that,
tile.
imagine that on the floor.
Oh, that'd be cool.
It'd be kind of nice.
On the where?
On the floor.
On the floor.
The floor. I like the wooden.
Not bad, it's nice. Huh? How much? Oh, how much? They're 395. And what we do? Oh, not that one. Joking. Gets them every time. Sorry, can't help myself. It's more better though. Well, the bell doesn't work for me.
You can't just behave yourself. Stop it.
No, bro. Just take a photo of this and stick it on the back of the.
It's nice, isn't it?
I'm around Fairfield, so they're 395. And if you live around Melbourne,
Put some hair.
Go on, stand in front of it, see if it makes your hair look better.
No, it doesn't. It just makes it look the
Your hair
same.
look beautiful. Your hair's nice. So a smart mirror.
And what's this? Oh,
So that's on YouTube now.
dishwasher. That's a dishwasher.
And a tiny dishwasher.
Oh, so cute.
Oh, what's this one? Another smart.
Oh, wow. So do people have them in their bathroom?
And they're smart lollies.
And waterproof TVs as well.
Oh, waterproof TV. This is very clever. I like that. Oh, they think I'm next.
Now that's a table, isn't it?
That is a beautiful, beautiful table.
God, imagine what that would weigh. Oh, so you can have different legs. You can have a timber leg, you can have a steel leg. That's beautiful.
Well, that's a nice unit too. Oh, that's a cool lamp. It's like that thing you put on your head. That does the...
Oh, yeah.
So it's got a sound system in there.
Yeah.
It's got swim to the little TV thing,
Yeah.
so you can swim against it.
Wow. There's a lot of water that has to put in there. How does that drain all that out? That's a lot of setup, isn't it?
Warm.
Oh, it's warm. They have that kind of stitching on them like that.
So that's an interesting question. For the hides, we do the asymmetrical pattern like that, and that's inspired by North American Indian winter coats. When we do it with the traditional leather, it's more of a straight piping like that.
Oh,
How's the lamp, Liz? This is really comfy.
this is like really good.
Very tactile, very
It's
grounding.
like petting Jojo.
It's like patting my dog.
That's probably why you like it. There's some.
He's got a brindle coat.
Okay.
He would actually carry now.
Yeah, but it's facing you.
Oh, facing you. Oh, okay. There you go. John's found his chair. Beautiful chair.
Are you doing an angle?
Yeah, because to fit you in. Otherwise, it doesn't fit.
This is
See?
so comfy. It's for my neck here as well.
Yep. Gorgeous. I love all these. Look at all these.
So what's it called? Pacific Green. Have you got their brochure, Liz?
Yeah.
So, honey, post-show review. What's your thoughts?
Very disappointing. I was really looking forward to the tiny homes, and there just wasn't really the tiny homes that you see on TV, and it was minimal. It was disappointing.
I second that. Yeah, it was.
I didn't get my tiny home fix that I was looking for. Nothing inspiring. Did sit on a
So
nice
don't
couch.
bother coming to the home show.
If you're looking for kitchen, bathroom, or floors or tiles, go for it. But the tiny home bit, nah.
Yeah, very disappointing. So Liz and I are now at the Crown Casino, and we're just going to go and put 1,000 large on red, aren't we?
Oh, absolutely.
1,000 large on red. Large what? Matches. We're not going to gamble nothing. But the interesting thing is this foyer. Maybe you can see, it's quite. That's why all these people are here celebrating. We were wondering why there are so many people here gambling. You can see this place is just magnificent. The money that must change hands in this place. James Packer, I don't know what he just sold this joint for. Anyway, there's a Rolex. Maybe I'll buy Liz one of these for her birthday.
That's $112,000, that watch.
Yeah.
$112,000.
$112,000 for that watch. So I think it's on sale.
$93,000.
Oh, that one's a bargain. Look at that one. I like the pictures.
Yeah, that's what it's better. We can buy the pictures. Maybe the pictures will be better. Wow.
Anyway, we kind of like the elephant pictures. If you're going to land in the city, that's the way to go. I wonder if they'll give us a lift back to Ringwood. In the helicopter. And there's Melbourne, the town that we live in. That's gorgeous.
That's a weird looking building that they're doing. It just doesn't look right.
That's the Yarra River, honey.
Yep, that's our brown Yarra River. That's brown.
That's brown. Oh no, brown cow. Oh, it's just starting to rain again.